guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Code Surfer. I hope you guys are doing really well. So, in the last video we saw the three inheritances that were simple, single are quite similar. Single inheritance, second one was multiple inheritance, the third one was multi-level, and now we are going to start with the fourth one today. So the hierarchical inheritance suggests as it names, so it will be in the form of hierarchy. So there will be the class 1, there will be class 2, class 3, and it will go on as class 4, class 5, class 6, and class 7. So this is how the hierarchical inheritance work. But the thing is here is that there will be one child using the there will be one parent and there will be multiple childs in it. So for example, we can say here there is one parent and there is two child here as class 2 and class 3, and if we go on, there is one parent again, class 2, it has another two child, and class here has another two child. It can be more, there can be class 4 here, but for now we are making it simple. So there are one parent and multiple child in the hierarchy 1. It is the reverse form of the multi-level, because in multi-level there were multiple parents. In hierarchy there are multiple childs. So if we look at the example here, so it would be sound like class 1 with some information of functions, I would say class 2 here, and there is the class 3 here, but here class 2 will be using the 1 and class 3 is also using the 1 directly. So this is the parent, as I said, this is the child here, and he's having the same parent. For example, if you say this is you and this is your sibling, he's also having the access to your parents' property, for example now. So there will be one parent and multiple childs. This is how the hierarchy works, and you can go on like class 4 can also use the class 1 property. But as I said, you can have restricted properties acceptance or something like that through the access specifier. So if you use the protected or private here as access specifier, and then you have to grant the permission to each of the child to access the properties of the parent class. So as I said, we'll be having the examples of this thing in the further videos while we do the hands-on practice on these ones. So this is the hierarchy, and hybrid is nothing but the collection of multiple inheritances. So it would consist of the single inheritance and the hybrid inheritance at the same time in the same program. But this would be confusing at the moment, but when you will be working with the programs, let me cut down this thing for now, hybrid. So here will be class 1, there is class 2, so this got a simple one, single, and then there will be class 2 will be accessible to class 3 and 4 as well, so it got a hybrid one. And this can be go on, you can create your own hybrid inheritance in the way you want to use it. So it's up to you how you use all the inheritance. You can use all of them in the one inheritance. I've got a program to work on that one. So in the next video we'll do the same thing. We'll do the hands-on practice on each of the inheritance, as we have seen the simple one first or sorry, single inheritance. The second one is multiple inheritance. The third was the multi-level. The fifth one was hierarchical, and then is the hybrid. So in next video I'll try to do this two together, sorry, the single and multiple inheritance, and then we'll go on with the rest of them, because the inheritance is a simple topic, but if you will just do theoretically you will get it, understand the just the concept, but as soon as you will start using it, it gets a bit complicated because of the access specifier. But you can't, sometimes when you're writing a long program, then it can be helpful to use access specifier, because the data you need to restrict to get used by the another class. So we'll get to know once we are on the hands-on practice at this one. So I'll say this was all for this video, and see you guys in the next video. Till that time, take care.